Breakfast provides the essential nutrients and energy to jumpstart your day. However, not all breakfast foods marketed as healthy are truly beneficial. Some options, commonly found in the American diet, contain hidden sugars, refined ingredients, and unhealthy fats, which can lead to fatigue and overeating later. Choosing nutritious alternatives is key to ensuring that your morning meal supports your energy levels and long-term health. Below are 5 popular American breakfast foods to avoid, along with healthier alternatives. A common American breakfast staple is white or whole wheat toast. While whole wheat toast may seem like a healthier option than white bread, most commercial varieties still contain a significant amount of refined flour, added sugars, and preservatives aimed at extending shelf life. Even those breads labeled as whole grain often fail to deliver the fiber and nutrients you might expect. Many of these breads may only contain a small percentage of whole wheat flour, with the rest being made up of less nutritious ingredients. A better choice would be to select sprouted grain bread, such as Ezekiel bread, which is made from whole grains and legumes that have been sprouted, resulting in a product that is rich in nutrients and fiber. Alternatively, you can try using whole grain tortillas, which can serve as a versatile base for breakfast wraps, or you might consider making oatmeal-based pancakes at home. This way, you can completely avoid refined flour and customize your pancakes to your taste. Another popular breakfast option is store-bought granola and cereals. These products are frequently marketed as healthy choices, but many varieties are packed with refined sugars and artificial ingredients that can undermine their nutritional value. Even granolas that are labeled as organic often contain high levels of sugar and unhealthy fats derived from added syrups, making them less ideal for a nutritious start to your day. Instead of relying on store-bought versions, consider making your own granola using rolled oats, nuts, and dried fruits, allowing you to control the ingredients and sweetness. This homemade option can provide essential nutrients without the excessive sugar found in many commercial granolas. If you're looking for a quick breakfast, opting for unsweetened oatmeal is another excellent alternative. You can enhance its nutritional profile by adding fresh fruit, nuts, and seeds like chia or flax, which are high in fiber and will help keep you feeling satisfied for a longer period. Frozen breakfast sandwiches, waffles, and pancakes are other commonly chosen but problematic breakfast items. Most store-bought versions contain refined grains, which lack the nutrients found in whole grains. Additionally, they often have elevated sodium levels and unhealthy fats that can negatively impact your health. For instance, while some brands promote their products as protein-rich, they often compensate for the taste and texture with added sodium, which can lead to bloating and fatigue instead of providing sustained energy throughout the morning. Moreover, the preservatives and artificial ingredients used in these products can pose health risks, especially if consumed regularly. A better approach is to prepare homemade versions of these breakfast staples. For example, you can make egg sandwiches using whole grain English muffins, which provide a heartier and more nutritious base. Adding nutrient-dense ingredients such as spinach, tomatoes, or avocado not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts the overall health benefits of your meal. If you enjoy waffles, consider using almond flour or oat flour in your recipes. These alternatives not only improve the nutritional content, but also add unique flavors and textures. Making breakfast items at home allows you to have complete control over the ingredients, enabling you to avoid unhealthy additives commonly found in store-bought versions. By opting for homemade breakfast options, you not only nourish your body, but also set a positive tone for the rest of your day, fostering healthier eating habits overall. Fruit-flavored yogurts are often perceived as a healthy breakfast choice due to their convenience and taste. However, many commercial varieties contain an alarming amount of added sugars, sometimes even exceeding that found in a candy bar. These flavored yogurts frequently incorporate artificial colors and sweeteners, along with only trace amounts of real fruit, which can obscure their true nutritional profile. This misrepresentation can lead consumers to believe they are making healthier choices, when, in reality, they are consuming products laden with unnecessary sugars and additives. To make a more informed and health-conscious decision, consider opting for plain Greek yogurt. This alternative not only boasts a higher protein content, but also contains significantly less sugar than its flavored counterparts. Plain yogurt serves as a versatile base that allows you to customize your breakfast according to your taste preferences. You can naturally sweeten it by adding fresh fruits such as berries or banana slices, which provide essential vitamins and antioxidants. Additionally, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup can enhance the flavor without overwhelming the yogurt with excessive sugar. This method allows you to enjoy the sweetness you crave while maintaining a balanced breakfast. Moreover, adding a handful of nuts or seeds can increase the fiber and healthy fat content, contributing to greater satiety. By choosing plain Greek yogurt and personalizing it with fresh, wholesome ingredients, you can transform your breakfast into a nourishing and satisfying meal that supports your overall health and well-being. Finally, breakfast pastries such as donuts, muffins, and croissants are commonly enjoyed in the morning, but can significantly hinder your health. They are typically made with refined flour, which lacks essential nutrients and fiber, and they are often high in sugar and unhealthy trans fats. These ingredients not only contribute to weight gain, but can also cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes later in the day. Despite their tempting allure, indulging in these treats frequently can increase the risk of developing various health issues over time, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Instead of succumbing to the temptation of store-bought pastries, consider making homemade muffins or other baked goods. By doing so, you can incorporate healthier ingredients that enhance the nutritional value of your breakfast. Using whole wheat flour, oats, or almond flour can provide a fiber boost and healthier fat content. Additionally, you can experiment with natural sweeteners such as applesauce or mashed bananas, which add moisture and sweetness without relying on excessive sugar. This not only results in a more nutritious product, but also allows for creative flavor combinations that cater to your taste preferences. Baking at home empowers you to craft delicious breakfast items that are both satisfying and nourishing, ensuring that you start your day on a positive note. By making these small changes, you can enjoy your favorite breakfast treats while supporting your health and well-being in the long run. In conclusion, the key to a healthy breakfast lies in making mindful choices and avoiding highly processed foods. Opting for homemade meals with whole, unrefined ingredients ensures that you start your day with sustained energy and balanced nutrition. Small changes like swapping sugary cereals for homemade oatmeal or using plain yogurt instead of flavored varieties can make a significant difference in your health. Breakfast is not just about convenience, it's an opportunity to fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive throughout the day.